Today I'm going to show you how to convert a photo into a pencil sketch with Photoshop Generative Fill. And the best part is, you can do it in just a few simple steps. This is a great effect if you want to turn portraits, selfies, or even full photos into a clean black and white sketch style without drawing it by hand. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also show you how to make the result look more realistic with a couple of quick finishing touches. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop guides. Alright, let's jump into Photoshop. The first thing you want to do is open your photo. Once the image is loaded, always start by duplicating your original background layer. On Windows, press Ctrl+J. On Mac, press CMD+J. This is really important because it keeps your original photo safe, so you can always go back if you want to make changes later. Editing on a duplicate layer is just a smart habit whenever you're working with AI effects or any kind of non-destructive workflow. Now that your layer is duplicated, the next step is to select the entire canvas. Instead of selecting just the person or subject, you want Photoshop to apply the effect across the whole image evenly. To do that, press Ctrl+A on Windows or CMD+A on Mac. You should see the marching ants around the entire outer edge of the canvas. That means the full image is selected and ready for the effect. If you don't see the contextual taskbar appear, don't worry. Go to the top menu and click Window, then Contextual Taskbar and turn it on. This bar is useful because it gives you quick access to Generative Fill and other AI tools right where you need them. Next, click Generative Fill from the contextual taskbar. This is where the magic happens. On the taskbar, open the Model Picker menu and make sure you select the Nano model. Depending on your version of Photoshop, it may be labeled Nano, Nano Banana, or Fast. The goal here is to use the model that gives you a clean, lightweight generation for texture and sketch conversion. Now type this prompt exactly into the Generative Fill box. Realistic pencil sketch, black and white detailed shading hand-drawn style. This prompt tells Photoshop to recreate your image as a monochrome pencil drawing with shading and a hand-drawn look. After entering the prompt, click Generate and let Photoshop process the result. Once the variations appear, take a moment to review them carefully in the Properties panel. Usually there will be a few versions to choose from. Pick the one that stays closest to the actual structure of the face or subject in your photo. That helps preserve the likeness while still giving you the sketch effect you want. If one version looks too distorted or too stylized, simply choose another variation that feels more natural. At this point, your image should already look like a pencil sketch, but it may still appear a little too smooth or digital. That's completely normal, and this next step helps fix it. To add a more authentic graphite and paper texture, select your new sketch layer. Then go up to the top menu and click Filter, then Noise, then Add Noise. This adds a subtle grain that makes the artwork feel more like it was drawn on paper instead of generated by software. When the Add Noise dialog box opens, keep it subtle. Set the amount somewhere between 3% and 5%. You do not want to overdo this because too much noise can make the image look dirty instead of artistic. Once you've set it, click OK. Even a small amount of noise can make a big difference in realism. Now let's boost the pencil stroke contrast. Go to the top menu again and choose Image, then Adjustments, then Levels. In the Levels panel, you'll see sliders that let you control the shadows, midtones, and highlights. Start by gently dragging the black slider on the far left inward. This deepens the dark pencil lines and gives the sketch more definition. Then slightly move the white slider on the far right inward as well. This helps brighten the paper areas and cleans up the highlights so the image looks sharper and more polished. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on the balance. You want crisp sketch lines, but you still want the image to look natural. Once the shading and contrast look right, click OK to apply the changes. And now your photo has been transformed into a clean pencil sketch with a realistic black and white hand-drawn look. The final step is to save it properly. Go to File, then Export As. From there, choose either JPEG or PNG depending on how you want to use the image. Adjust your quality settings if needed, and then hit Export to save the finished sketch to your computer. If you followed along, you now know how to turn any photo into a pencil sketch with Photoshop Generative Fill, and you've also learned how to improve the result so it looks more authentic. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials, AI editing tips, and beginner-friendly design workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.